So, we just arrived in Milan. This has been my most last-minute trip ever. I only got confirmed to come to Milan a few hours before my flight. So if you've heard me say on all my previous Fashion Week vlogs how unprepared I feel, this has got to top all of those other seasons because I didn't even know I was coming to Milan until a few hours before my flight. But we are here now. I am here once again with Onitsuka Tiger. I am still waiting for my outfits, so I also just found out about my outfits yesterday. So hopefully it'll arrive today so I could pre-style or try it out before the show tomorrow. Because I didn't really plan to come to Milan, I don't really have much. Like, I plan to have this trip to be really short. I'm mainly here for Onitsuka Tiger. I'll see if I'd be able to squeeze in a few shows before I fly out because I am gonna be here for only, let me compute, for exactly 57 hours. Yep, 57 hours in Milan. Let's go, guys. So I've decided to just nest my toiletries because I'm gonna be here for just a few days anyway. And I don't really know how my schedule is gonna be like. So everything is in my luggage still. I did a quick freshening up. Actually already took a shower during my stopover in Doha because it was such a long stopover. So yeah, just a quick change and some freshening up. And I'm ready to head out. I've decided to go around my favorite place here in Milan, which is Via Monte Napoleone, which is where I love to shop. I just want to see what's out there, you know? No promises. Okay, let's go. Hopefully this will give me a better chance at not having a jet lag, unlike New York. Let's do this. Just finished shopping and now I'm gonna go and take myself out on a date, which is very rare because you guys know that whenever I'm out for work and I'm alone, I usually just order room service or get Uber Eats. Full transparency though, I did check Uber Eats and they're already closed here in Milan, so wala akong choice. Joke lang. I could have still ordered room service, but I decided to go out and not be lazy and to take myself out to dinner. I'm the only one here in the restaurant. I think there are people outside drinking, but for dinner, I'm the only one here. It's super close to our hotel, super walking distance lang because I don't want to be walking far late at night as a lone woman. I was raised by a paranoid Chinese mother after all. But yeah, we have free appetizers in the house. Good morning, Cam fam. Today is a very hectic, actually chaotic day. I thought I had a lot of time to prepare in the morning, but then so many things happened. My steamer broke down. Iron here is dripping. I just got my outfits from Onitsuka Tiger, so I'm gonna style on the go. And I should be chatting with you guys. I should be moving. Okay, so they sent me this like dress top stitch, so let's dress up. Okay, and then this skirt, I hope it's not too wrinkled. I tried my best. Okay, let me check the mirror. Then they sent over this bomber as well. Okay, let me accessorize. These are the shoes they sent me from last season and socks options. Okay, this is our final look. I also have my sunnies, my faithful pure sunnies. Ooh. Okay, let's go. Okay, Cam fam, you're in the car waiting for Tim. Team Onitsuka Philippines is here! So, Tim actually just arrived today, so that's why I'm sure ngaragrin siya. But I'm just fixing my falsies. I had to put on falsies because my extensions are, it's no longer extending. My lashes are not lashing, so I needed to put, and hindi talaga magaling sa makeup, alam niyo naman yan. So I have to fix my hair. My pins are everywhere, so I'll use this time while Tim isn't here yet to fix my life. I'm so prepared that I brought some bobby pins with me. I was planning to do it in the car. You guys know I'm used to fixing myself up in the car, so here I am. Hala na kung ano itsura ng back. Oh my god, my hair is not hairing. Okay, I was told it's fixed, so bahala na. Okay, now time to eat lunch. On the way there. And he's here, fresh from the airport.
Hello, Manila! Ay, Milan pala. Milan! I came straight from my bed.
Oh, wow. Woke up like this.
Woke up like this.
Ang Onitsuka kasi talaga, Onitsuka Tiger, is very versatile. You can go from the bed to the event.
Yeah.
You're my soul. You're my heart. My wine. You're my soul.
So we just finished the show. I love the pieces as per usual. Everything is so wearable. Even more so now because it's the Spring-Summer 2024 collection. I'm sure you're wondering why I'm in a different outfit. I just did a quick change because we're doing the shoot with Onitsuka Tiger Philippines, much like the previous seasons. But anyway, back to the show. It's again the same thing, lots of sheer pieces. There was actually one that was a bit dressier than usual. Like it had some embellishments even. So that's something new for Onitsuka Tiger, I feel. And they also have a lot of their usual like structured jackets and coats, which I really, really love. I love that they're unisex as well. So, you know, Yoni can wear it, I can wear it. In terms of footwear, of course, we see the classic Onitsuka yellow. So I saw there some high-cut sneakers with yellow soles. And then there was this really cute yellow rubber boots that I think is gonna be a favorite of fashion darlings. So yeah, overall, a beautiful show once again. And now we're gonna shoot around Milan. Onitsuka team!
Hello!
Car! Buwis buhay po ang peg namin for Onitsuka Tiger Philippines! So I just finished changing in the car because this is how we're doing our shoot. This is my last of my 3 outfits for the shoot and it's the comfiest one. I think I want to wear this in the plane. It's so comfy. Maybe I should. It's so comfy. I can't get over it. Anyway, let's go shoot our last layout.
It's a wrap! Masarap!
It's masarap! Parehong corny. Pareho kasi kami ng
my
school
God.
Okay, so now we're off to the hotel to
Dinner.
change and then din. Good morning, Cam Fam! Welcome to my unboxing haul. Just kidding. Or am I? So if you guys remember, on the first day, when I just arrived here in Milan, I went out and about and went around to shop. So, eto na sila. These were my purchases on the first few hours that I was here in Milan. And while I'm still waiting for my lunch date, Tim Yap, to get ready, I figured I'm gonna unbox for you guys. Oh yeah, so that means hindi na pala good morning, good afternoon. I was actually working the entire afternoon from 6 a.m. I was just working, catching up on emails, replying to everyone from the Philippines, all the work emails. That's really one of the things also that makes Fashion Week so hectic, is that things don't stop back home. So while we're so busy trying to post real time from here and attending all these events and shows, we also have to still manage what's happening at home and still talk to brands. You know, our deliverables don't stop. All these stuff that they need from us, they don't stop. The emails, they don't stop. So that's really what makes it so hectic. And also having to wake up Philippine time because I like posting as well during Philippine time. But anyway, I digress. I'm sure that you guys don't care about these things. You guys care about what I bought. So let us unbox. Which one do we unbox first? This one na lang first. Or should we unbox Sienna's? Actually, I won't unbox Sienna's because I want her to unbox this. I'm gonna be bringing this home to her. It's from my favorite brand, as per usual, the Mini Fashion. They always send stuff to Sienna. Look at how big this box is. I'm gonna be able to bring this home naman. I didn't bring much for this trip. I'm gonna remove it from the box, put them in my bag, and then bring home the box still so Sienna can still do an unboxing because she loves doing unboxings. But anyway, so here goes our unboxing. Let us start. First store that I went to was Bottega Veneta. I came with a purpose. I really wanted to buy this bag from them. I've been wanting to buy it for a long time now, but I just keep forgetting. So when I arrived here in Milan, sabi ko, you know what? Let's go to Bottega so I don't forget. This is pretty familiar to you guys. It's very iconic of Bottega. It is their Jody bag. Dun, 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 dun. Isn't the color beautiful? It matches my Chanel flats that I was wearing that day. Wait, let me show you. Ta-da! They match so well. So, syempre, because of that, nabudol ako. No, just kidding. But I really, really wanted to buy this. So, I went ahead and bought it. I remember my mom's bag. It's, I think, like this also, eh. She bought it a really long time ago, if I remember correctly. In a really dark, brownish gray. Unfortunately, though, when we had it recolored by one of the restoration stores back home in the Philippines, they ruined my mom's bag. My mom was so pissed, as in they really ruined it. So, we had it recolored, but then I don't think they did it the right way because then it started cracking. Like mom's leather bag started cracking, and I don't know if it's still usable now because I remember the last time, like a few weeks back, I was asking her if I could borrow it and she said it's ruined, so I don't know if it's savable. She thinks it's not. But anyway, I can share this with you, Mom. So here, I bought this size. You guys know that I already have the green Jody in the mini size. Not the super nano size, but just the mini size. They have this size and then also a bigger size. But I think this is the perfect size where, you know, it still says technically I'm a mom, but I'm not so tita yet because it's not super big yet. Nothing against big bags because I was actually choosing between this or the really big bags that they have now in the store, and I'm so tempted to go get some of the bigger bags because I feel like I'm in my big bag phase now. So I've always been buying small bags, and now I think I'm in my medium to big bag phase. Super pretty, right? Okay, and then another thing I bought from Bottega is this is jewelry. So I've been wanting this since the last time we were here in Milan back in July. But then I opted out because namahalan ako then. But I've just been seeing it everywhere, and I just feel that, you know what? Go for it. You'll be able to use it at a lot of events. So this is what I got. You guys saw me wearing this na yesterday. Nilagay ko lang siya ulit dito para makuha niyo yung unboxing experience. But yeah, these Bottega Veneta earrings, you'll see a lot of dupes for this on Lazada, on Amazon. But I think they don't make them as big as this. I feel like the dupes are all smaller. But yeah, I decided to buy it. It's real silver, the sales rep was telling me. The gold version, I think, is silver wrapped in 18K gold, if I remember correctly. But anyway, I opted for the silver because the gold ones are already out of stock. And I actually prefer the silver because I already have a lot of gold statement earrings, but I don't have silvers. So these are perfect for me. They're really beautiful. And then Chanel. I went into Chanel with no goals in life. I just know that I wanted to look around their medium to large size bags. I wanted a tote. So anyway, I came out successful. You know what? When I go into Chanel, sometimes I wish that I don't see anything. But I still line up anyways because I just can't resist Chanel. I just really wanted to go look around. I also bought a pair of sunnies. So let's go for the sunnies first. Oh, I already have a pair of sunnies from Chanel as well. They're really big, kind of like the Jackie O round ones. But this time, it's not as big, but it is sizable. I feel like I'm going back to my big sunglass phase. So this is the case. It's a fabric case. Unlike the ones that I had before, they're leather case if I remember correctly. And then, I was choosing between this and another one that's a bit bigger. But then I ultimately chose this one because I like how thin the sides are. So it's not so like Chanel. For me, this is still okay. The other one kasi was like so big with like huge CCs. I feel that these are much simpler. That's what I'm gonna wear to the airport. Even though my flight is at 11 p.m. Just kidding, I'm not gonna be one of those people. I refuse. And then for the bag, let's unbox it together. Ta-da! So yeah, I finally did it. I've been seeing the Chanel 22 bag ever since it was released. Thought I was safe, marked safe from the Chanel 22. But I couldn't resist it now because I really like this color. At first they showed me this nice subtle blue color, which I also like. It was like kind of like a toned down baby blue. Not so pastel, more on the mature side of blue. But then I ultimately went with this because I just feel that it's much more practical. It's a much more practical color. But it's also not as basic as your normal like black or white. This is still a special kind of like grayish color, which I really like. And I don't have any medium to large size gray bags, so I think this is beautiful. Inside, it comes with a tiny little pouch, and there's a lot of nice compartments here. Oh yeah, not a lot actually. Isang zipper lang pala, joke. But yeah, this is my haul from day one because I am about to go out again to shop before I head to the airport. Oh my gosh, look at that rain. It's raining so hard, but tuloy pa rin ang shopping. We're not gonna let this rain stop us, so I've decided to just come to the gallery instead to shop so that there's a roof over my head. I try to avoid this area though because it's super touristy and I don't like how I feel so unsafe here. But anyway, we must fulfill our duties as a shopaholic. No, just kidding, I'm not a shopaholic, but as a woman with a purpose. Hey Cam Fam! I guess we are gonna continue our unboxing of our shopping haul. So I just came back from Gallery Emmanuel, and so I just went to two stores, which is Prada and Louis Vuitton. I wanted to go and walk to Acne Studios too, but then ang tagal ng payment process, so I didn't want to risk it. I wanted to have enough time to keep all my stuff and to take a quick shower before I head to the airport. So which one do we open first? I think let's open Prada first. Okay, so in Prada, I was originally wanting to buy one of their classic leather bags, but then napunta ako ulit sa clothes and shoes. You guys know that I love their clothes and shoes. So, decided to forgo the bag. Sabi ko, wag na nga yung bag kasi like, I'll just save money. Save money! Anyway, here, I bought a few clothes from Prada. The first one is their nylon jacket. I went a size up than my usual. It's already oversized as it is, but I wanted something a bit more oversized back. So here's what I got. I feel like this would look really good with my Prada skirt if you guys remember from my last haul. So yeah, I really like this. So I don't know if you can see it. But anyway, super cute. And then I can close it up also. And then there's like drawstrings here. So you can tighten the jacket from the back. It's really cute. The next item I got is this really simple turtleneck top. Like a very spandexy fabric. You see here the Prada zip. And wala lang, I just really like this basic top because I'm planning to buy one of the nylon dresses of Prada. But the one I want is super out of stock. So this would look really cute inside. So yeah, just a crop turtleneck, classic. And then last but not the least, this is a runway piece. I saw it on the table and I was like, oh, this is so cute. I've been looking for micro shorts. So ta-da! These micro shorts that are hip huggers. So they're here on the hips. And look at the nice Prada button. I wish I had a matching top though, but okay na rin yun. At least I didn't spend. And then we have here a pair of shoes. So usually when I shop abroad, I ask them to remove the shoebox already because I don't really bring them home anyways and I don't keep the shoebox. It just makes the paper bag so heavy. So I just request for them to put it in the dust bag. But anyway, I've been wanting this shoe for so long. I've been seeing it on social media ever since they released it. Originally, I wanted the low-heeled ones, but they weren't available anymore in my size. So I got the flat version instead. Still beautiful. It's still a work of art. Ta-da! Look at how beautiful. You can fix these flowers also the way you want them. Yeah, slingbacks, flats. And then next, I went to Louis Vuitton. Oh, actually, I also went inside Dior, but I didn't see anything. I was looking for some clothes. Anyway, next stop was Louis Vuitton, my final stop as well. It's been a while since I bought a Louis Vuitton bag. I was originally looking for the Pharrell design speedy bags, the small ones in fabric, the ones that I used for New York Fashion Week. They're really, really nice. But those you have to pre-order. I was told they're not really in stores yet. So I just looked around and found a classic black bag in Louis Vuitton instead. So I didn't buy from Prada, but I ended up buying the classic black bag that I'm looking for in Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. Ta-da! Isn't it so nice? It's in epi leather. And I love that it already comes with this mirror and also this little coin purse. I was choosing between this or the next size to this. It also comes in like a medium size, but the medium size doesn't have the coin purse. I like that one because it looked more classic. It looked much more sophisticated and I feel like that's easier to handle because you can just throw stuff in there. As opposed to this, like I feel like you need to be strategic with how you put the stuff inside this bag because it is tiny. But I like that this looks good even as a body bag. I feel like the bigger size as a body bag, it doesn't really look as nice as opposed to this one. So I feel like you get more bang for your buck for this because it's like a 2-in-1. Still cute as a body bag. And also, you could just use it with this one. It could be for dressier events, just remove the coin purse. So yeah. And last but not the least, I got boodled. I actually first saw this through Jazz Reyes. We were talking about Louis Vuitton bags and she was thinking of getting this one. In the beginning, I was like, I'm not sure. I feel like the other choice is better. But then while I was in the store, I tried it and I messaged her right away. I said, I take it back. This bag is really beautiful. So I got so it's also a shoulder bag. You can also use it as a body bag. It comes with 2 straps. So this is how you open it. You just unclasp this and then there are no zippers inside though. There are no pockets or anything. But I love that it's soft. I've always loved this style of Louis Vuitton. But it's just that I hated that it always came in a hard case design. I love that this is a soft leather. So it's much easier to bring. You can stuff it with so much stuff. So this is how it looks with the strap. I feel like I'd be using it more as a shoulder bag though because I am in my shoulder bag phase. As you can see from everything that I bought. Look how cute. So cute. Also use the longer strap and it becomes a body bag. Cute, right? This is my last designer haul for the year. This is it. I'm already at my quota. This is the last of it. It's on the record. Okay, so that is it. I'm going to take a bath. Let's go. Voila. I'm already all fresh. Hair is still wet. Wearing my Onitsuka fit. A fitting end to this vlog. Started with Onitsuka, ended with Onitsuka. And now my bags are all packed and ready to go. And that's 57 hours in Milan. Well, actually, I still have a few hours to go. So 57 minus a couple of hours in Milan. See you guys on the next vlog. Mwah.